Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to publish a landing page in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click Landing Pages, open the landing page you finished designing. Review your page one final time to make sure the text, images, buttons, and forms are all correct. Click Next to open the publishing settings. Choose whether you want to publish your page on a GetResponse subdomain or your own custom domain. If you're using a custom domain, make sure it's already connected and verified. Next, customize your page URL. You can also update the SEO title and meta description to help search engines understand your page. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Wait a few moments while GetResponse publishes your landing page. After publishing, open the live page in a browser. Test your forms, buttons, links, and mobile layout to make sure everything works properly. If you need to make changes later, simply edit the page and publish it again. That's it. You've successfully published a landing page in GetResponse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.